Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you the plucking and the chords to the song Dig Deep. The chords you need to know for this song are D, A, B minor, G. For the verse, you're going to do open, A, so hit the open A string. Then you're going to put your first finger, the pointer finger, on 2nd fret G, and your ring finger on 3rd fret B. So pluck the open A, then the B, then the G. And play that 4 times in a row. Then you're going to take your middle finger and hit E string, the low E, on the 2nd fret, and play that twice. Then just shift your middle finger to 3rd fret G. And through the whole time we're going to be plucking B and G throughout the whole verse and the pre-chorus, so you're never going to move those. So play the first part 4 times. The middle finger, then shift it. So the only thing you're moving is your middle finger from the 2nd to 3rd. And that's the first part of the verse. And then for the pre-chorus, keep your fingers on the B and the G, and you're going to take your middle finger and put it on 2nd fret A, pluck that, and then pluck the B and the G, so play that twice. Then lift your middle finger and play open A, and then B and G, twice. Then put your middle finger back on 3rd fret E, and pluck that, and the B and the G. So that will be played 4 times. So this twice, this twice, and then this one 4 times. And then you play that whole thing twice for the pre-chorus. Then when you're done with that and you start to get to the chorus, so after you've hit this one, just strum the G chord, down strums, so you can get to the chorus. So for the chorus, it's going to start on D, and you're going to do down, up strums. So that's how long you're going to play that for the first part. So for dig deep and then for Be Afraid, play the A, be a, and so that's going to be just a down, up, then you're going to just hit that up and down. You're just going to hit the A, down, up, then move to B minor. So down, up, down. So then G, B minor, then back to A. So here's a run through of the verse and the chorus. And that is how you play Dig Deep. I hope this video helped you, and if any part was confusing, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you. And in the description will be the cover I did for this song.